First, what is lifestyle? Is it just the clothes we wear, the food we eat, or the places we go? Or is it something deeper? Second, lifestyle is about the choices we make every day. It's about the habits we cultivate, the people we surround ourselves with, and the way we approach life. Third, a healthy lifestyle means taking care of our bodies and minds. It means making conscious choices about the food we eat, the activities we engage in, and the way we manage stress. Fourth, but lifestyle is also about connection. It's about nurturing relationships with our loved ones, friends, and community. Fifth, and lifestyle is about pursuing our passions and interests. It's about finding joy and fulfillment in the things that make us unique. Sixth, of course, lifestyle is also about work. It's about finding a career that aligns with our values and allows us to contribute to society. Seventh, ultimately, lifestyle is a journey of self-discovery. It's about exploring who we are, what we stand for, and what kind of life we want to lead. Eighth, so as you go about your day, remember that lifestyle is not just a surface-level concept. It's a reflection of who we are and what we value. It's about living intentionally, with purpose and passion.